Welcome to another episode of Lecheng Pag-ibig to the podcast.
Nandito na naman kami. Another day, another letter. Meron tayong letter sender. At this time, parang dudugo yung ilong ko dahil Englisher siya.
Pwede ka basahin?
Englisher!
Para to relieve you of the ano.
Ayoko. Gusto ko ako. Kasi babae, princess yung name.
Taking
I
the
want to practice my
challenge.
English because I want to be an Englisher like you.
Taking the challenge.
Sabi niya dito, di ko na patatagalin. But by the
Correct.
way, thank you po sa pakape. Talagang halatang nakakaluwag-luwag na tayo sa buhay. May pa-coffee na po tayo dito.
Yardstick mamahalin.
Oo, thank you
With
so
notes
much,
of-
Papi.
Notes of apple.
Kahit iniwan tayo ni Jasper today, hindi natin alam kung nasan siya.
Nasaan mo si Jasper, by
At
the way?
hinahanap ka niya kanina, tapos siya pala yung wala.
I hate it.
Jas, anyari?
Can I just say, I hate it when people, nasaan ka na? Pagdating ko, wala pala si Gago.
I know, right? Dumate pala.
Oh.
Anyway,
De, joke lang, Jasper.
we love you, Jas.
you.
See you
Go.
soon. Anyway, ito na. So, bago ko basahin to, gusto ko itanong, meron ka bang friend na super close mo before and then ngayon, di na masyado? Like, super duper close ha, ang dami yung pinagdaanan.
Yeah.
Anyari?
May,
Like, friend when?
I had
High
close-
school, college?
All my high school friends are super close to me because we were together for 4 years. Pa sa amin sa high school namin kasi, yung klase mo ng first year, siya pa rin kaklase mo ng
Correct.
fourth year.
Sila yung blockmates mo.
Correct. Carry over pa yan sa college minsan. So, we are super close but admittedly, sabi nga lang yung best friends mo no elementary would be different from your best friends in high school, different from your best friends in college, and probably different from your best friends today. But some would remain all throughout.
True. Pero may kasabihan din, sinasabi naman nila, those that you'll meet in high school will be your friends forever. May mga ganun naman. Ikaw ba meron ka na yung friends mo nung high school hanggang ngayon, best friend?
Yeah,
Or
meron din
close
naman.
friend mo pa
Meron
rin
din,
ngayon?
super close. But I always tell this to people, don't be afraid to lose friends.
Grabe. May pa-quotable quote
This
na
is
agad
gonna
siya
be
sa
hard, but
sa
don't be
Alam mo,
afraid to
nagbibigay
lose
ka na
friends.
agad ng advice dito
Oh,
sa
sige,
letter
basahin muna
sender
natin
natin.
yan.
Basahin ko na. O, wag daw
Kasi
kayo matakot
feeling ko,
mawala ng friends.
oh.
Pero ito, sabi niya dito, Dear Sam and Chacha, lately I've been feeling this heavy, unexplainable sadness. Like something important is slowly slipping away and I'm just standing here
Pera.
helpless. Hindi pera.
Okay.
It's about my best
slipping
friend.
away.
Slipping away. Sa atin, ganun yon. It's my best friend. We've been friends since high school. Back then, we were inseparable, sharing secrets in between classes, laughing about the most random things, and making promises to stick together no matter what. We planned how we'd conquer the world side by side, same college, same dreams, and hopefully, same future din. Pero nagsimula magbago lahat when we both got our jobs. Suddenly, our once effortless friendship felt like something I needed to schedule. Sinubukan ko naman mag-reach out but sometimes she'd be too busy, tired, or just not in the mood. I can't help but wonder, is it me? Did I did something wrong? Or did I do something wrong? Or maybe it's just the reality of adulting. The exhaustion from work and the struggle to keep up with the responsibilities na nakakapagod. Minsan nga naiisip ko parang ako lang nag-e-effort. Or maybe, baka naman nakahanap na siya ng bagong mga kaibigan who understand her better. People who share the same interests and lifestyle. Sam and Chacha, na-notice ko rin that the things we used to love doing together don't feel the same to me anymore. Uy. Yung trip namin dati, late night hangouts, spontaneous road trips, parang hindi na ganun ka-exciting for me sa ngayon. Pero siya, ganun pa rin hanggang sa ngayon ang gusto. Have I changed too much? Or maybe I've just grown up differently? Namimiss ko na tong best friend ko. I really do. I miss the version of us that would never go a day without talking. But now I feel like I'm chasing something that's no longer there. And I don't know whether it's just life pulling us apart or if she's just choosing to walk away dito sa friendship namin. Why does growing up means growing apart? It feels unfair that the friendship we once thought was unbreakable is now just a faint memory. I just want to know, did I lose my best friend because nagbago ako or dahil nagbago siya? Sometimes I feel guilty for not trying harder, but other times, I wonder if it's just time to accept that we're on different paths now. Heartbreaking siya to think that someone who knew me so well is now like a stranger to me. I just want to understand why it has to be this way. Paano ba mag-move on from a friendship that feels like a breakup? How do I deal with the emptiness that comes from missing someone who's still technically nandyan naman but feels so far away? So, friends pa sila, pero nafe-feel niya na may nagbago na talaga. At papunta na sa talagang
Parang
papunta
breakup
na
pero
sa
since
break.
beshi lang kayo, hindi
Yes.
siya breakup technically.
Oh, kasi hindi
Ah?
naman nagbe-break up as friends. Meron
Hindi siya romantic. Okay.
Was there ever a time na sinabi mo sa kaibigan mo na break na tayo? Wala namang ganon.
I can't be your friend anymore.
Because I love you na.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Tayo mga na gano'n ha.
Oo.
Kayo magde-deny.
Ganyan ginawa mo kay Esa. Uwaping
Gago,
ka.
gago
Oo.
hindi. Sinabihan tayo na gaya. Sorry, I can't be your friend anymore.
But it's sad to hear her story kasi kilalang kilala daw siya nito and super close nila.
It's sad, but it's normal. I think it's normal. I think it's
Part of
it's
adulting.
part of life, part of adulting, part of growing up. But I don't think you lost your best friend. Yes, there is distance. You guys don't talk as much, don't spend time as much, because let's admit it, lahat tayo, we all grow up.
Yeah.
Um,
Lahat ba?
Yeah, aminin natin. Nung sabihin natin, DJ Chacha, the year is 2025. Let's go back to DJ Chacha in the year 2018. Ano ang mga kinabibisihan mo at priority mo sa buhay?
2018? Bago kami ikasal niya ni Mike Well, busy sa racket.
Give me two things. Racket, work.
Una sa lahat, wala akong pakinon sa workout.
Okay.
Hindi ko pa nakikilala no ng bike. Hindi ko rin alam ang running.
Mm-hmm.
May nagpapapawis-pawis on the side. Nag-yoga yata ako nun.
Oh, yun.
Nag-gym-gym. Pero like, hindi consistent.
Because that was not a priority.
No.
That was something you
No.
really
Ang priority
enjoyed.
ko na is to hustle.
Correct.
Hindi ako nagwe-weekend that time. No weekend, lahat ng trabaho tinatanggap. That is Chacha 2018.
2018.
How about you?
I was exactly the same. 2018 was
Pero ma-workout ka na. Kasi di ba?
nag-workout na ako noon. But that was still a priority. But my priority in workout ko noon was competitive.
Ito na yung, yung marathon era mo.
Oo, yung running ko.
Ironman era.
Yung running ko, kailangan may PR, may hinahabol akong oras. Yung 5K ko, yung 10K ko,
Babae
yung 21K.
era, 2018.
Babae era?
Oo.
Hindi kasi ako dumaan sa pagiging babaero.
Oh.
Eto na.
Sino jowa mo na? Naalala mo?
2018.
Hindi pa si Esa yan. Si Esa na.
We
Si
were-
Esa na.
we were-
Okay.
I was making porn. Hindi pa kami.
Okay,
Pinapormahan ko siya,
pumaporma. Pero hindi pa love life yung focus mo that time.
Oh,
Right? Work and yourself lang.
Oo, kasi especially 2015, I was okay na walang love life. I was fine. I was doing my thing.
Yeah, 10 years kang single. Hello.
Hello, if you're single, it's easy to get rich.
Wait lang, akala ko iba yung nasa isip ko.
Diba?
Sorry, iba yung nasa
It's
isip ko.
easier.
Hindi ko sasabihin dahil for sure nakikinig sa Esa.
Hindi, totoo naman wala kang pinagkasusan. O nung isa lang anak mo,
Oo.
wasn't it easier?
Amen.
Yun lang naman yung
True.
point ko.
Oo, tama
Pag single
naman.
ka,
Correct.
Pag single ka, wala kang ibang pinagkasusan, mas madaling
Hindi,
yumaman.
tsaka kasi pag nagka-jowa ka na, syempre isipin mo yung birthday gift, anniversary gift,
Dinners, dates.
Yeah, trips, right?
Is it necessarily worse? Is it a bad thing? No. Because now your happiness revolves around that.
Pero
Diba?
kasi-
And going out on a date makes you happy.
Is there ever a friend of yours nung 2018 or 2015 na super close na ngayon, wala na? And for you, okay lang.
Hindi wala na eh.
Nandiyan pa rin.
Nandiyan pa
So
rin.
wala kang solian
But
kandila levels,
But
friend.
my best friend now, both of them actually.
You still talk to them.
Yeah, but one
When was
is
the last
based
time?
in Brunei, one is based in the States.
When was the last time you talked to this best friends of yours?
Oh my God, si Carlo, my best friend in the States, last time ko siya nakausap was, probably 9 months ago.
And you call...
Last text ko sa kanya, let me just be very...
Kasi iba yata ang ball game ng mga lalaki. Hindi kayo masyadong clingy like us girls. Right?
Last messaging namin, to be exact, was August. He greeted me for my birthday, August 21,
But
2024.
you still consider these two
Yes.
guys your best friends. But you
si
don't
Isa,
but
si
you
Brunei,
don't talk to them a lot. But why do you still call them your best friends?
Because
Ito ba dalawan to yung parang talagang pag may pinagdadaanan kayo, you go to
Yeah.
them?
Ang dami namin pinagdaanan in life, in general. And when but when we reconnect,
And you're still parang best of friends with them kahit di kayo nag-uusap?
yes. And
Lagi?
correct. And I'm gonna move over to Tony and Slick,
Ah.
who are also my best men. I
Correct,
also consider them my
correct.
best friends.
Yeah.
Siguro, medyo marami akong kinoconsider na best friend.
Yeah.
I have probably 5 na sinasabi ko, yung ride or die na sinasabi ng mga tao na parang these guys na ito yung tatakbuhan mo pag talagang
Kasama to.
si Carlos, si Jose, si Tony, si Slick, and probably my brother. Ito yung mga parang if your back's against the wall, sila yung mga tatawagan mo. Sila yung naka-speed dial
Dito
sa'yo.
hindi.
Oo. But I know, even if we don't talk every day, we don't talk as much as we do, isang tawag lang, nandyan sila.
And it doesn't mean na fading yung friendship. Even
Maybe.
if you don't talk to them every day.
It's
Because
fading-
there are people who says, or parang ang paniniwala nila is, you have to make an effort para hindi mag-fade yung friendship. Just like any relationships.
Well,
May ganon. Kaya nga
But
sabi ko,
people grow
parang
up.
feeling
But
ko kasi,
we grow up,
or
priorities
sometimes I
change.
feel like iba nga for girls and for men.
Could be.
Kasi sa amin, baka mas clingy kami na parang pag hindi na nagpaparamdam sa amin, pakiramdam namin na, pa yan, hindi na ako masyadong kinakamusta nito. Baka may ganun sa babae, sa lalaki, wala. Hindi issue yon.
Pero gano'n naman talaga, nabibusy tayo lahat. Sometimes, pag pag single ka, mas marami kang time makipag, usap sa friends
Sa
mo.
friends.
Once you start getting romantically involved with someone, automatically yung time mo, from let's say, meron ka 100% worth of time, mo divide na yan, 50 will go to the person you're dating, 50% will go to still your friend. Let's say, now you get married, you have a family, yung 100% madidivide palalo yan. Ngayon may anak ka na, may ano ka.
No, kasi kaya ako nagtataka. I don't talk every day to my best friend.
Oo.
Dalawa sila. One is in US, one is in Singapore. Pero mas madalas ko kausap yun nasa Singapore. Parang siguro once a week may conversation pa rin kami. Pero hindi mahabang conversation. Like kamustahan. Pero I still consider her like my ultimate
Correct.
best friend. Kasi
Yes.
eto, dami na rin namin pinagdaanan. Pero kasi yung ganun kung 9 months na, no, iba yung sa iba yung parang sa babae, I don't know, hindi naman dapat mag-effort lagi na dapat may conversation na mahaba or malalim. It's just that I want to make my friend feel na, uy,
Nandyan ako."
andito ako. Or kamusta? Pag hindi na kasi nagpaparamdam sa akin, sa mga babae to
Would you feel- okay, would
pag
you-
hindi na nagpaparamdam, pakiramdam ko, baka ano na nangyari? Magtataka din ako.
Would you
So,
feel bad?
kung-
Let's say, si Singapore best friend, for example, biglang 2 months hindi nag-message. Will you feel bad?
No, pero I will message her and ask her, kamusta ka? Kasi it's not normal for us to not talk.
Okay. Then it's a different setup for you.
Yun nga eh.
And
Kaya
that's
parang
fine.
iba yung
And
sa
that's
mga
fine.
lalaki. True.
For me, I don't see my best friend for, wala, sa stage siya, for months. And actually, the last time I was in the States, which was last year, hindi rin kami nagkita. Nasa San Francisco na ako nun.
That I will never do.
Hindi.
Pero same city.
Pero may emergency kasi.
Oh, yeah,
may
yeah,
emergency
yeah.
yung...
Same city to.
Yeah.
Tapos di kayo nagkita.
I was only there for 3 days. Eh, yung girlfriend niya had an emergency
So
mom.
hindi talaga nagkita
parang,
Totally understandable.
Diba? Exactly. Would I feel bad?
No.
Sayang, yes.
Kasi may valid reason. Pero if wala siyang valid
No,
reason,
then that would be a
you
different
will feel
story.
bad. Yeah.
Oh, parang, oy, siya, bumiyahe na nga ako. Wala ka man lang pakita. But, as you grow up, priorities change.
Yeah,
Life
yeah, yeah.
gets in the way.
Amen.
And it's just something we have to accept. Yes, we make an effort to keep in touch, but I don't think you should feel bad na hindi na kayo nag-uusap every day because balik tayo dun sa
For different interest na.
correct sa parang 100% of your time. Pati siguro ikaw gusto mo na mag 20% dedicate mo sa health, 20% or fitness mo, 30% gusto mo sa business mo, 20% dito. There are, and I'm sure, that's why I asked you who was Chacha in 2018 because I'm sure in the next 5 years,
Iba na naman. Iba na naman pinagkakabisihan natin.
and you
And
might,
probably, yung friends mo ngayon, baka na super close mo ngayon, baka iba na yung super close mo by that
but
time.
would Singapore best friend
No. I
be
feel...
downgraded to not a best friend? Do you
No.
think in 5 years that'll happen?
No, you know what? We don't call hindi namin tawagan na beshi-beshi, Pero alam ko sa sarili ko na siya talaga. Yung every time pagka magka-problema
She's your
ka-
person.
Yes, she is. And magkaiba talaga siguro yung utak ng lalaki. Kasi parang for me, kung gano'n nakatagal hindi nagparamdam sa akin yung friend ko, kakabahan na ako, baka lumipad pa ako.
But it's more of that. It's
Singapore, tawag ko sa kanya, nasa Australia na nga pala siya ngayon. Ayun.
But it's not magtatampo ka,
Hindi
mag-aalala
ako
ka.
magtatampo, mag-aalala ko.
Correct.
Mag-a-ask ako, what happened? Ba't hindi
Oo.
ka nagpaparamdam?
Pero hindi ka
Same
magtatampo.
with the friend na nasa US, na ngayon medyo talagang busy siya with whatever she's doing doon. Pero yun nga, hindi nababago yung lalim ng friendship. But at the same time, ako talaga paniniwala ko, Papi, we have to make an effort if we want yung
The
tao.
connection will still be
yung,
there.
Oo.
Just to show you care.
Lagi.
To show you care.
Not just to show you care, parang same with work or same with your relationship with your wife. Kapag hindi
Minsan
mo yan,
nagpapakita ko sa asawa ko.
hindi yun gago.
Hindi
Pag
ba?
di ka nagparamdam kay Esa ng kung August ka
5
last
hours
year.
pa lang.
Oo.
Ganun na.
Tanggalin niya isa-isa yung pilik mata mo sa mata. Parang for me, kahit friendship, kahit anong klaseng relationship, we have to make an effort. Mapa-relationship man yan sa kaibigan or sa pamilya, dapat may effort. Pero siguro, sa mga lalaki, baka nga iba. Or baka there are also other people, kahit hindi lalaki, babae, na same ng friend ni letter sender. Same ng friend ni Princess na, baka your friend is like Sam. Dami lang ginagawa ngayon sa life. Magkaiba lang kayo ng interest, pero yung lalim ng friendship nyo, same
always
pa rin.
gonna be there.
But for me, that kind of friend will not work para sa akin. Because gusto ko, pareho tayo nag-e-effort sa isa't isa.
Yun nga, it's a different setup,
Yes,
different type of
yes.
ano. But also, what I realized, as you grow up in life or you become more mature, there will be really some people you have to let go of.
Ito na.
Or there are gonna be people or friends that probably hindi na kayo on the same wavelength, diba? Probably they're still in that partying phase, diba? They're still in the, inuman phase. Na ikaw, iba na yung priority mo, iba na yung And there is nothing wrong with letting go of that. Sabi ko
Or
nga,
pwede namang,
I posted this on my Instagram a few days ago. To be the best version of yourself, there are a lot of goodbyes that you will have to a lot of things you'll have to let go of. And a lot of goodbyes.
or pwedeng hindi naman let go, pero we just have to accept na hindi na kagaya ng dati. Nandyan pa rin,
Yeah.
pero hindi na same.
So I'm sure even if our letter sender feels a bit empty now, feels bad now, maybe when you start having a family, maybe when you start focusing on some other things, you would probably understand na parang, shit, pati ako na busy na. Diba? Doesn't mean you're a bad person, doesn't mean you're a bad friend.
True.
No. Doesn't mean you don't care about the person.
Yeah,
No.
or you don't love the person anymore. Or pagka humingi siya ng tulong sa'yo, dadalma ka na. Meron akong kaibigan na ganito. Na medyo ganito yung setup namin. Pero nag-uusap pa rin naman kami. Pero nung una, iniisip ko, magtatampo ba ako sa kanya? Magtatampo ba ako sa kanya kasi hindi na siya singdalas ng kung paano kami mag-usap dati.
Or lagi ka nag-aaya, lagi siyang hindi ako pwede.
Hindi talaga nagtutugma yung schedule namin. And parang nafe-feel ko na ako na lang lagi ito na pangalanan na natin, magkausap lang kami ng isang araw, magugulat na naman to. Nasasabihin niya, hindi talaga pwede. Pero naiintindihan mo na talagang busy lang siya. Pero again, parang sa akin, now that we're talking, tas na-realize ko na, wow, super best friends kayo. August pa yung huling usapan nyo. And for you, walang nagbago. Nung time na nakausap ko siya last time, tas tinatry namin i-align yung schedule namin, bigla ko na-realize na minsan, bago na tayo magtampo dun sa friends natin na parang feeling natin di nagpaparamdam sa atin, assess din natin yung sarili natin. Baka mamaya nasa atin yung problema, masyado lang tayong sensitive or matampuhin. Clingy.
For lack of a better term.
Hindi nga matampuhin at sensitive nga eh. Na parang feeling mo lahat ng nangyayari may issue. Pwede namang wala. Pwede namang busy lang talaga yung friend mo.
Na-overanalyze mo.
And we are like that most of the time. We're overanalyzing things.
Minsan nga, mag-reply na walang smiley. Na-overanalyze na
Uy, totoo yun.
Ako,
Minsan
when my wife replies, dito ka ba kain? Ready ka na ba? Tapos yung reply niya, letter K lang.
Na-overanalyze mo na yun.
Oo. Minsan
Pag
talaga.
minsan nga tahimik lang yung wife mo, gusto lang tumahimik, na-overanalyze
90% of the time, it's like that.
Iba yun. Iba yung bubuhusan kita ng kape dyan
That's 90% of my
iba
life.
Yun. Pero what do you wanna say dito kay letter sender? Si Princess, final words, Papi, para sa mga ganito yung feelings. Dapat ba kausapin pa yung friend?
I don't mind. I was gonna say that, Princess.
Aww.
If that's what you want to get off your chest, you want to talk to this is your super best
Kaya
friend,
lang
your
baka
person,
i-take negatively
your person. It's okay because if she's your person, she would also understand. But also, kesa, you know what's just what my fear is, or what's bad about that is that if you keep it in for so long, kimkimin mo, baka
Tapos sa
lumaki
dulo.
yung problema. Kasi nga meron ka ng sama ng loob na hindi mo nilabas, magi-implode. So, to avoid that from happening, it's okay to talk to her. If she's your person, she would understand why you're bringing this up. But also, on the other hand, tama si Chacha, analyze yourself. Also understand that it's a phase of life. People get busy. Life happens. Relationships happen. Careers happen. And you might not be... And just because you don't talk as often as you used to talk before, the friendship has declined or has decreased. No? That's my personal take on it.
Ako parang pakiramdam ko kasi depende sa tao eh. If you're like me na medyo, hindi, parang if si papi ka, na low maintenance yung mga friends mo. I
Ako
think
sa buong buhay
Diba?
ko, ako na siguro yung pinaka low maintenance sa makikilala.
Exactly.
Alam mo sinabi ng asawa ko sa akin, shit, hindi ka low maintenance, no maintenance kang tao.
Kasi isipin nyo, no maintenance talaga. August pa niya huling kausap yung tropa niya,
No
no?
maintenance.
Be, kamustahin mo ngayon. Kamustahin mo lang ngayon kung okay ba siya.
Gago.
Super low to no maintenance at all. I guess okay lang. Kahit kahit na wag mo nang gawing issue. Pero kung ako ka, same tayo ng wavelength na it bothers you na hindi siya nagpaparamdam, then ikaw ang unang magparamdam. Alam mo, I don't see anything wrong with it.
Yeah.
If you guys are friends,
That close.
wag na nating gawing issue kung sino ang unang mag-aaya at kung sino ang unang magpaparamdam.
Or wag na palakihin ang
Wag
issue.
palakihin. Yayain mo nang yayain kahit na laging sabihin niya hindi okay yung schedule. Yayain mo pa rin. Pag feeling mo gusto mo siya makita, puntahan mo pa rin. Or pwede bang pag nakipag-meet tayo sa mga friends natin, wag na rin natin masyadong i-OA kung ano yung dapat yung gawin. Saan kayo kakain, saan kayo pupunta. Halimbawa, errands. Uy, grocery tayo together. Pwede ka ba? Uy, nasan ka? On the way kasi sa work sa work ko, yung bahay nyo, daanan kita, may dala ko sa'yo. Diyan tayo kumain. Minsan, ganun kasimple. Kung gusto mo talaga makabonding or makita, pwede namang ganun, di ba?
Sabi nga
Wag
nila,
lang i-complicate yung things na ikatatampo mo pa every time tinu-turn down ka.
in the, I think, 1600s, Marcus Aurelius had a saying about that. No? And if I'm not mistaken, parang maliit na butas, lumalaki.
Nagtagalog gago to. Nakatingin pa ako sa
Nag-usap
kanya.
kami nun eh.
Inaantay ko lyrics
sabi
ng
niya,
kanta.
Maliit na butas.
Maliit na butas, lumalaki.
Konting gusot. Grabe.
Sino ulit nagsabi?
Marcus Aurelius. Anyway,
Gago
diba?
talaga
Could
to.
be a small thing. Why make it big?
Amen.
If it's small pa lang, diba? Tapalan mo na yan. If there's a small crack, ba't mo hintay na parang, oh my God, sira na yung buong bubong. No. Sira na yung buong pader. If it's something small, you feel bad, mas kaya mo isulat sa amin, kaya mo yan sabihin sa person mo, squash it there. And, you know, that could be the solution to everything. But for everybody else, also try to understand that, you know, life happens.